Let's talk about a place where we spend a significant part of our day, the kitchen. Keeping it clean and organized not only makes cooking a more enjoyable task, but also contributes to a healthier lifestyle. Here are 8 everyday habits that can help you maintain a clean and organized kitchen. Firstly, make it a habit to clean as you cook. It may sound like a daunting task, but it actually makes the cleaning process much easier. Instead of leaving all the cleaning for the end, wash your utensils and wipe the counters while your food is cooking. Next, keep your counters clutter-free. A clutter-free kitchen counter gives you more space to work and makes your kitchen look neat and spacious. Make it a rule to put things back in their place after using them.
Another good habit is to empty your dishwasher every morning. This way, you can put dirty dishes straight into the dishwasher throughout the day, preventing them from piling up in the sink.
Develop a habit of taking out the trash daily. A full trash can not only take up space, but also creates unpleasant odors. Emptying it daily ensures a cleaner and fresher kitchen. Organize your pantry by category. This means grouping similar items together, like baking ingredients, canned goods, and spices. This makes it easier to find what you need and keeps your pantry tidy. Regularly clean your fridge and throw away expired food. This prevents unpleasant smells and the spread of bacteria, ensuring your food stays fresh and safe to eat. Finally, end your day by giving your kitchen a quick sweep. This will pick up any crumbs or debris that may have fallen during the day and leaves your kitchen clean and ready for the next day. These 8 habits, when practiced regularly, can help you maintain a clean and organized kitchen. Remember, a clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. So start incorporating these habits into your daily routine and enjoy the benefits. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel